So my 5S for the month is our new sales funnel. So this is how we're going to attract customers and deal with customers and keep them with the business over time. So they'll start off as customer awareness for the team here, and we'll bring them in as an inquiry through the website, by phone, or walking in through the door, and then they'll be quoted, place an order, deliver the product, and then we want them to become a regular customer. So we'll make sure that they're reordering, and eventually they'll become a champion for our business.
My favourite 5S for this month would be moving the standoffs to the wall, so it's a lot closer for me to get to them.
My favourite 5S lean activity is scanning directly after I invoice a customer's order. That way it eliminates time being wasted standing there and scanning them in a bulk lot. Invoice it, print it off, and I've got the job card, and then what happens is I put it straight into here, press the little scanny thing, select the correct year, and then you scan it. Time is not wasted.
Favorite 5S for the month would be my to-do chart, I would call it that. So basically on here I'll have stuff that I need to do, things that I'm doing, and when it's done. I have these little cards that you can use. So for example, I've got a web MYOB fix over here that I still need to do, and spreadsheet fixes. At the moment I'm doing emails, and this morning I've already done my banking.
My favorite 5S is color coding the keys. So now I can tell which laser keys goes to what.
My favorite 5S for this month would probably be labeling my stuff, because I've got laser cleaning tools and the cotton buds. More stuff, but it's just the obvious ones here and there. Make it easier to access.
My favourite improvement for January is raising the air outlet on my jig. So before, this used to be quite high, and when I would put the tops on, they would wobble all about. So I've lowered it down so everything sits nice and flush and perfect.
My favourite 5S project is still a work in progress, is our new first aid station, which will also hold our PPE gear, so everything is in one place. The next steps are to create dividers and labels in drawers, and to make the wall more visible so that it stands out. We also moved it from the front to the centre of the factory, which makes it more accessible to all areas.
Favourite 5S for this month is this area here, coming out of the office. There was a rickety old shelf that had random things on it, and there was also dust and made it really dark, whereas now moving those things allows for a space for the office to bring items that have been dropped off for repair or samples, etc., and it can be stored in here and not the office.
So my favourite 5S is the labelling of the racks here, organising each shelf by name or number, letter, and being able to have every shelf with what it is, be able to move things around and be able to follow what material it is to whatever shelf it goes onto.